Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, we've got a new reaction here. This is a new band for the channel as well, Nouveau Arcade, Only Happy When It Rains. This is a space and travel reaction. Obviously, as you can tell by the banner, I do Slam Worldwide and space and travel. So yep, we're getting onto the space and travel since I did a Slam Worldwide earlier. So, catching back up on the space and travels that I missed yesterday. But yeah, this released 17 hours ago. Don't know about these guys, never heard of them. Again, a lot of the bands on Space and Travel I've never heard of, so it's nice to get, a breath of fresh air when you don't know a band very well. So, it's first time reaction to this band, so I can give them an honest review about their song. So, let's get it started.
Nouveau Arcade.
Don't know what this is, metalcore, rock, anything goes.
I'm only happy when it rains.
Sounds
I'm only happy when it's complicated.
rocky intro so
And
far.
now I know you can appreciate it. Why it feels good to feel so sad.
Piano as well.
I'm only happy when it rains. Misery down.
Okay. Get a real Grand Theft Auto radio vibe from this.
And now I know you can appreciate it. I love it when the news is bad. Why it feels good to feel so sad. I'm only happy when it rains.
Okay, so that was Nouveau Arcade. Only happy when it rains. That was rock. That has to be rock. Um, wasn't heavy enough for any alternative metal kind of thing. Um, Decent song. Kind of gave me Grand Theft Auto radio station kind of vibe there. Sounds like the sort of song that would be at home in a Grand Theft Auto game on one of the radio stations. Um, One of the many radio stations actually. If we think about GTA 5. Uh, yeah, kind of sounds like a really good vibe song. You just put it on when you're vibing or something like that. Um, I would say I'd say it's more alternative rock than just straight up rock. Uh, Pretty good song. Guy had some nice pipes on him. Obviously, there was a little bit of electronics and synth going on in there as well. Piano playing as well. I think that was. I'm not fully 100% on music or instruments and techniques and stuff like that. So, yeah, definitely enjoyed it. Going to check out more from these guys, see if they've got similar kind of songs, because I do kind of like electronic music as well, even if it's like in the form of like rock or EDM or stuff like that. I do listen to a lot of Triple H exclusive sounds on YouTube, and your DJ Flybeat musics and your CX musics and stuff like that when I want to chill out and vibe to certain songs. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Obviously, support the artist. Links in the description down below. If you're new here, click subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one, which probably will be Slam Worldwide whenever they upload a new song. Or it could be Space and Travel again. These two kind of upload songs at weird times for me, but we'll get into them regardless. So yeah, thanks for watching.